Antarctica, the coldest, driest continent on planet Earth. Antarctica is a featureless desert of snow and ice. Despite these harsh conditions, life thrives here. One of Antarctica's most successful inhabitants is the emperor penguin. Regardless of their somewhat clumsy appearance, emperor penguins are one of the most intelligent creatures in nature. For example, it is widely believed that penguins are incapable of flight. This, however, is simply not the case. These astonishing creatures have devised their own means to gain access to the freedom of flight. This impressive spacecraft, capable of traveling millions of miles in a relatively short period of time, is built entirely of snow and polar bears. Recent studies have revealed that penguins are also responsible for the invention of space hoppers and marmite. Deep in the tropical rainforests of Sri Lanka lives another amazing species, the chameleon. It has long been believed that the chameleon's famed ability to change its colour evolved as a means of camouflage and concealment. However, with our state-of-the-art audio equipment, for the first time we are able to listen in on the real reason behind this remarkable skill.
Does this beige make me look fat, do you think? Well no, but I wouldn't say it was your colour. Nah, I didn't think so. What about red? Red, it's a bit aggressive, isn't it? Yeah, but I want something, modern and balanced. Yeah, but it's also quite slimming. What about green? Green? We live in a rainforest, you stupid boy. You won't be able to see me if all green, would you? Yeah, that's true, I suppose.
And now we take a look at one of nature's fiercest predators. Lay beneath this acacia tree rests the graceful lion. Here in Kenya, in the heat of summer, temperatures can reach as high as 6 trillion degrees in the shade, hot enough to melt a Solero. I myself am sunburned to buggery. He's spotted a zebra. It is time to feed. It's the circle of life.